Hey guys, Alec, Peirce at the ranch. And one of the things that we're always concerned about at the ranch is saving money. We're not cheap, but what the heck, you know? If I save money on hydro, then I have more money for rum, more money for other important things. Anyway, so we're always trying to save money. I hate paying money if I don't have to. Insurance, and other stuff as well. And in this particular video, I want to tell you about a device that we found several years ago. And this is it. It's really this simple. Now there is another part to this device which I'm going to show you. I'm going to get Kevin to post a picture. And this other part, you can see it now. It actually sits by your hydro panel and connects to the hydro panel, just with two clips that wrap around the incoming line. And those two clips act like an ammeter, and they measure the current flow coming into your house. And they send a signal to this device. You can see down here in the corner, there's a little signal, kind of like a cell phone signal thing. And every 15 seconds, that device downstairs sends a signal. That little signal is like a cell phone signal. And then every few seconds, it sends a signal. So if you just watch for just a minute, can you turn everything off there for 1 minute there? Okay, and you see right now that this shows 3.602. We'll just use the 3.6. 3.6 kilowatt hours. Now right now, I've got Diana to turn off the oven, but now it shows 00. Now there's a little bit of electricity over here. That's probably, I don't know, one of the computers, some of the security lights and so on. But basically what that is showing, right at this moment, we are using no electricity. I went to 0.8, so it's not quite 1 kilowatt hour. Here in this region, we pay about 7 cents per kilowatt hour. A kilowatt hour is 1,000 watts for an hour. This isn't costing me very much, folks. All the devices currently running in the house, even Kevin's lights and so on, is not costing me very much. Now, in just a minute, we'll see what happens now. It goes to 0.8 again. So you see it's running around just under 1 kilowatt hour. If everything is currently running in the house runs for an hour, it's going to cost me 7 cents. That's total taxes, service charges, and everything else. Okay, Diana, turn them on. Okay, so she just turned on the toaster oven. Let's see what happened. That darn thing draws a lot of current. 4.5. Whoa, turn on the stove as well, sweetheart. Let's scare these people. Whoa, 7.2. So currently with those two devices on, we're now consuming 7.2 kilowatts right at the moment. If it runs for an hour, then that'll be 7.2 kilowatt hours times 7 cents. Now it's going to cost me 50 cents to run those devices for an hour. Previously it was costing me less than a cent. Now it's costing me 50 cents. That's why I'm always giving Diana heck for leaving stuff on. Hence our hydro bills, which have gone from running around 150, 160, occasionally 180. Recently we had a bill under $100. Typically now it's $100 to $115. Hey, we're not talking big bucks. But depends how you measure things. A couple of beers. Anyway, just an interesting thing. So you've seen how it works. You can get, there's all kinds of these. This is just one. I just happened to get this off at Amazon quite a while ago. It's been working perfectly well for me for the last, 5 or 6 years, and we've quite enjoyed it. We look at it and I say, 9, what's going on? And then Dad says, well, I have the dryer on or something, and it helps us a little bit to watch for energy consumption. Maybe it'll be useful to you too. Energy prices are not going down anywhere that I know of. Might be worthwhile. Home Energy Monitor saves you money. All right, that's it, guys. Take care. Alec, Peirce at the ranch. Talk to you soon.